dismissed. That's Supreme Court's answer to a petition seeking deferment of the Ayodhya verdict. Now, after a unanimous go-ahead from the three-judge bench led by the Chief Justice himself, the Allahabad High Court can deliver its judgment on the 60-year-old bitter dispute on the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid matter. Parties to the case have welcomed the Supreme Court move.
We have taken the stand before the High Court as well as before Supreme Court that there is no chance of any settlement before pronouncement of judgment. Therefore, kindly permit the High Court to pronounce judgment.
Here's how the main parties stood up in the case. R.C. Tripathi, former bureaucrat, asking for deferment. Nirmohi Akhada, amongst the original petitioners in the title dispute, supported Tripathi's prayer. But all the other groups like Sunni Waqf Board, Hindu Mahasabha, asking for an immediate pronouncement of the verdict. Their contention, no out-of-court settlement was possible now.
It just took 2 hours for the Supreme Court to decide on the fate of the deferment petition by R.C. Tripathi. But the real turning point came during the course of the arguments when the Attorney General of India representing central government said that the government welcomed any out-of-court settlement on the issue, but at the same time wanted an end to the uncertainty on Ayodhya verdict.
On the bench, it was Justice Aftab Alam who took the strongest position against the petitioner seeking the postponement of the verdict. He said, "You are running against time because you woke up late. This is after 50 years. The question is, why were you quiet for all these days? You had to strike chord when the matter was in the High Court."
Supreme Court judgment is correct in having dismissed the SFP, but I'm a little disappointed that even the brief reasons are not given by the court.
The Ayodhya dispute has been one of the longest running legal battles in our country. But even today, with the Supreme Court giving its go-ahead in a sense to the Lucknow bench of the Allahabad High Court to pronounce its verdict on this matter, it may still not be the end legally, because whichever party turns out to be on the losing side is bound to move the Supreme Court post a judgment. In New Delhi with Ashok Bagadia, Bhupendra Chaubey.